whatever you said, the steel should be
In that
value for shear stress value should be lower for this.
steel fibers.
Yeah, and this for CFRP.
For
So
CFRP, it should be highest.
now for the cracks, here you can see the same option, cracks and crushing, step 1, step 2 time. Okay. The same step I have applied in ANSYS. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I will ask my graphic designer to make some arrangements to show cracks here, and you can.
Yes, sir. In this type, I want cracks to be shown.
No. What I am saying, I have done as per your requirement. I have given the non-linear properties also. Okay. Hello?
Yes, sir.
But the image is like this only.
Yes, sir.
So here where you can see the dots, here we will highlight with some color, and you can show that this is the crack pattern of the.
Okay, sir. But for all the models, it is similar, sir. Crack pattern, that dots are in a similar trend. It's going.
No, this is for ANSYS. For wrapping, the cracking pattern will be different somehow.
But previously, you have sent me the crack patterns, no, sir. I found they are similar. So if we highlight now that points also, we'll get the same thing.
See, this is actual image we have sent. We will adjust with some graphic software that screenshot. Okay, we will send.
Okay, sir.
That I am saying.
Okay, sir.
This is the actual result we are getting for the all the models. Okay, so this is the, because you can see the same cracks and crushing. The same option I have done for the same model. This is all crack, first crack option. Okay, here you can see dot and all.
Yes, sir.
So this I will see what I can do graphically, and I will share the screenshot accordingly. But the plain RCC crack pattern will be somewhat different, but all the GFRP pattern will be same. There will be no difference, just the difference for the values only.
Crack patterns for other rehabilitated materials, we don't get any difference, sir.
Yes.
After using that materials,
yeah,
can't we get different patterns of cracks?
No, different. Because material is changed means E is changed only, not the geometry. Okay.
Geometry is not changed, sir. Because of that E only.
Wrapping pattern is also same. Is wrapping pattern is different for the different material?
Wrapping pattern is same, sir, but the load which it can take, that differs, no, sir. Based on that, you'll get the crack pattern.
No, your external will be questioning for that. The cracking pattern will be same for wrapping of that CFRP steel. It will be somewhat different for the RCC because geometry is not changing. The wrapping pattern is also same. Only the some properties, inside properties are changing there. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this is clear. So I will you share the document what you send me the screenshot. I will read that. Highest to lower CFRP will be highest. GFRP still higher. Should be lower. This is IS code you have shared with me. What is this? Standard. I will read it thoroughly. This is Sinuja. This is allowable compressive strength. Means for designing you can't go beyond that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So maximum value in the concrete allowable shear stress is 1 MPa. So for control specimen we can have maximum up to allowable is up to 1 MPa. So for after rehabilitated specimens that can be beyond 1 MPa, no, sir.
But this is first of all this is for the compressive strength. You send me this document. I will read it and we will discuss it accordingly. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll even send you the other crack patterns I have found, sir. In that, the crack propagation I'll send you. If it is possible, you told that you will ask your graphic designer to do that. No, sir, because
Sorry,
I need to
can...
even.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I need to even differentiate and tell that crack pattern is also different. That's why I'm asking, sir, for rehabilitated specimens also, crack pattern should differ.
Crack pattern, that I will arrange this screenshot with my graphics designer, Suraj Narkare. You tell him how the crack pattern should be seen in that image.
Okay, sir. Regarding crack pattern, I'll talk to him, sir.
So I will arrange meeting with him also. So he will do this in Photoshop or some software he has. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that is manipulation we are doing. So you just tell him means how this dot should be there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That is you and so this crack.
And the other one, shear stress values, and the other one is wrapping, sir. Wrapping screenshots, you send it to me, sir.
Yes.
Wrapping screenshots, let you'll share it with me.
See, right now that only 2 minutes are left. You just message me this. I will share you this model right now, updated model. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
And the screenshot I have taken for the wrapping. You can show this. You send this wrapping pattern images with your guide. Means wrapping is only. It is already as per your paper requirement and your project requirement. Then next is we have done the non-linear analysis also to find out the cracks, but the ANSYS it is showing like that only. So that we will do using some graphic design software. That small dot.
Okay, sir.
That small dot we will be highlighting using some software. This dot. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Done. And the next thing is shear stress value. Higher to lower.
Shear stress values.
Study that what is your basic idea behind that, because this value is depend on the load itself. Okay. So first of all, I have to decide the loads and all. What loads should I apply to control that shear stress value 1 to 0.5 to 1 MPa.
That is for only control specimens, sir. For the other materials, it can be beyond 1 also.
Control specimen means that type 1 model you are talking about.
Type 2 RCC without rehabilitation.
RCC without rehabilitation. Okay.
Type 2 RCC. And after that, 4 models, RCC plus steel fibers, RCC plus ferro cement. For those materials, we can have values beyond 1.
Okay. We have 1 minute left only, and I have to go for my site also. So first of all, I will share you that data, but that screenshot also that wrapping. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Contact and target.
If you can give me his contact, I'll talk to him, sir. Regarding crack patterns also.